My name is Savannah and I am a customer experience representative. A customer experience representative is the person that you are most likely to talk to, whether you are booking a new sale or have any customer support questions. I really love, as a customer experience representative, getting to help people. You know, I am the person that you get to talk to when you want to book a new appointment, and I love getting to know the homes best I can over the phone, and I love being able to resolve any issues you may have after you've booked through the customer service. I have not always been a customer experience representative. I was a technician out on the field for about 3 years. When I was a technician, I really felt valued as a person when I was going through something and I was getting a string of, less than ideal quality scores. And instead of being immediately reprimanded for those lower scores, they sent somebody to check in on me. They checked in, make sure I was getting the support I needed, gave me some tips and tricks on how to improve, and I did improve. I would describe the environment and culture at Better Life Maids as almost like a family. Here at Better Life, you are not just an employee number or a revenue stream, you are valued as a person. Be it helping with customer service or technician requests for help over the phone. I really love that I am a piece of the puzzle when it comes to making sure somebody has a wonderful day by walking into a clean home. What makes me happiest about working here is definitely feel like I'm making an impact, To some, cleaning is a chore. To me, cleaning is an act of love and an act of service. And I am delighted when I know that I've made somebody's day better by assisting them in getting a clean home.